National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for Wood County in north central Texas until 8 p.m. At 7:09 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 4 miles east of Lodban, moving east at 15 miles per hour. The tornado will be near Oak Trail Shores around 7:40 p.m., Granbury around 7:55 p.m. This will impact Interstate 20 between mile markers 384 and 386. Move to an interior bathroom, closet, or hallway on the lowest floor of your building. Cover yourself with blankets, pillows, or mattress for protection.
We still have some public out here, most of it's gone.
The